In this video, I show you how to change the default Google account in Chrome. So let's get started. Here, I've come to Chrome and I'm signed in with two accounts. So you can see that this is my default account and this is another account which I've signed in with. So what happens is that every time I go to some Google app, such as YouTube or Google Sheets or Google Drive, it will automatically sign me in with this default account. But now if I want to change this to my other account, it's really simple. All that has to be done is first sign out of all accounts, and then whichever account you want to be default, you have to first sign in with that. So let's do that. If you haven't already reached this page, you can just click on your icon that's on the top right, and then select this option, sign out of all accounts. And now all you have to do is sign in with the account which you want to be default. So again, I'll click on sign in, which is here. And this time I want my second email to be default. I'll click on it. This has become my default account. And again, if you want to sign in with the other account, you can just click on show more accounts and then click on sign in. You'll have to enter your password and then you'll be signed into this account as well. So this is how it works. And if you want to know how to clear cache in Chrome, check out this video. Goodbye.